In this video, I'll take you on a short tour of a Verandah cabin on Holland America Line's Rotterdam. The cabin I'll be taking you through a quick tour today is cabin 8076. That's on deck 8, which is also called the navigation deck. And this cabin is located in the midship area. The cabin that we'll be looking at today is a VA grade cabin, and the cabin also has a connected door to a 4-berth grade cabin next door. So let's have a look inside. If you're enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing. As you come on through to the main cabin, you'll find the hallway where the main storage is located. This comprises of some cupboards and shelving which contain quite a good sized safe. Underneath the safe you have the minibar, which is chargeable, and below this you'll find 3 good sized drawers. There's also some hanging space in the wardrobe to the left. One feature I really did like was this corner cabinet, which is perfect for pouring a glass of wine or mixing a cocktail. And below here you'll find some additional storage and a cabinet with glasses above. I do like the way that this space has been used. The TV is connected in this unit in the front of the bed, and there's some really useful storage underneath. As I mentioned earlier, this cabin is actually a connected cabin, and the cabin next door is a 4-berth cabin which has a slightly larger balcony. So if you're travelling as a larger family group, then this would be a perfect combination, with the added benefit that you could also open up and connect the balcony space. Now on to the vanity area. The vanity area is spacious with lots of plug sockets, and I did like the lighting in this area, which is integrated into the mirror. The vanity area also contains a few drawers to store smaller items, and there's a comfortable chair. The seating area is small but practical and very comfortable. While it might be a squeeze for 2 people to sit here, it's ample for 1 person, and it's always nice to have some additional interior seating without having to always revert to sitting on the bed. Above the seating area you'll find 2 small cupboards which contain your life jackets. So let's have a look at the main bedroom area of this cabin. On the wall next to the bed you'll find some useful coat hooks. Each side of the bed has a nightstand with a shelf and a couple of drawers. Not only is there a bedside light next to each side of the bed, but you'll also find an adjustable reading light. There's also 1 plug socket and 1 USB socket next to each nightstand. This is a 2-berth cabin, and the queen size bed can be converted into 2 lower beds. Now let's make our way into the bathroom. This part of the cabin is spacious, bright and airy, and I really did like the lighting around the mirror once again too. The storage options are very well thought out in this bathroom. There is some good storage space on the shelves by the sink, plus there's some wide space around the sink itself. The shaving point is also contained within this area, and there's a small shelf under the sink. I was pleased to see that the shower area has a glass door instead of a shower curtain. And in this area, apart from a powerful shower, you'll find a clothesline, a shaving bar and a wire shelf. Now onto the balcony. The balcony is a good size and can comfortably accommodate 2 reclining chairs and a small table. It's also interesting to note that the door to the balcony is hinged rather than sliding. As this balcony is on deck 8, there's a slight overhang with the deck above, and therefore you'll be more shaded than other balconies on lower decks. Another thing to consider when booking this balcony is that while it's in a perfect midship location, you do have the Lido market above you, and you might encounter some noise from this. However, the cabin is very close to the lifts, and you're only a short distance from all the main areas on deck 9. If you want to see what the rest of the ship is like, then you might be interested in this video, which is a full walkthrough of all the main areas on Rotterdam, from stern to bow.